Have you ever wondered what the production process in a factory looks like from the perspective of the product? And do you think the product would be able to better organize its manufacturing? These are not scenarios from a distant future. Very soon, the products or their carriers will contain processors that communicate over the Internet of Things with the machines that produce them. They will be able to make sure that they handle it in the right way, change the order of the production process, switch off machines, or remember problematic interactions to avoid them in the future. They can also adapt easily to specific circumstances. For example, the smart parts of a digital factory can communicate with the factory worker in his native language. We are here at the Research and Application Center Industry 4.0 of the University of Potsdam. Here I can see with my own eyes what the digital factory of the future might look like. Professor Norbert Gronau and his colleagues have created a place in which the production scenarios are simulated realistically. The first look at this factory reveals how the digitalization of the production process affects profoundly how people interact with the machines in their work routines. The factory worker has to get used to products that flexibly control their production process and do not necessarily take a predefined path. He can communicate with them, and not only through terminals, but also using digital gloves, smartwatches, or augmented reality glasses. If the production processes are represented virtually, the worker can also interact with them from outside of the factory using VR glasses. Here we are at the production site of artificial knee joints. The factory is modern, but it's built in a traditional way. The product follows a predefined production path, which is organized hierarchically. The production process creates standardized artificial joints in 6 different sizes. In a digitalized factory, the individual measures of each patient could be sent directly to the production site. The smart components allow individualized products to be manufactured at the price of mass production. The competitive advantage in a change towards such production style is evident, but how can it best be implemented? What are the risks? How do the employees have to be trained? These questions are answered by Professor Gronau in his research center, because there, production processes can be simulated realistically.
In unserem Forschungs- und Anwendungszentrum Industrie 4.0 können wir reale Prozesse in Fertigung und Logistik modellieren, mit Daten von Werkstücken und Maschinen kombinieren und reale Informationssysteme des betrieblichen Alltags einsetzen. Die neuen Möglichkeiten ergeben sich aus der hier möglichen Integration aller Industrie 4.0 Technologien, mit denen wir dann herausfinden können, inwieweit wir für unsere Praxispartner die Wettbewerbsfähigkeit und Produktivität steigern können und durch Gewinnung zusätzlicher Daten aus der Anlage neue Geschäftsmodelle erschließen können.
Who will be first to successfully digitalize factories? The answer will be given here in Potsdam, where tomorrow's production processes already exist today.